శ్యామలనగర్ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర బాలకుటి స్కూల్ నందు 78వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకలు ఘనంగా జరిగాయి. పాఠశాల పూర్వ విద్యార్థి డాక్టర్ ఎం రాజేష్ ఆర్థో డెంటిస్ట్ కార్యక్రమంలో ముఖ్య అతిథులుగా పాల్గొన్నారు. ప్రిన్సిపల్ సుధా మాధవి మరియు అతిథులు జెండా వందనం చేశారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా డాక్టర్ ఎం రాజేష్ మాట్లాడారు. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ విద్యార్థి దశ నుంచే దేశభక్తిని పెంపొందించుకోవాలని, దేశం పట్ల విధేయత కలిగి ఉండి పురోగతికి కృషి చేయాలని డాక్టర్ రాజేష్ తెలిపారు. దేశ స్వాతంత్ర్యం కోసం పోరాటంలో అమరులైన త్యాగశీలుల్ని స్మరించుకుంటూ వారి త్యాగ ఫలితమే నేడు భారతదేశ స్వాతంత్ర్య దేశంగా అవతరించిందని విద్యార్థులకి గుర్తు చేశారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా పాఠశాల ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయురాలు సుధా మాధవి మాట్లాడారు. తమ పాఠశాలలో విద్యార్థులకి విద్యతో పాటు దేశ స్వాతంత్ర్యం కోసం పోరాడిన అమరవీరుల త్యాగాలను స్ఫూర్తిగా తీసుకొని భవిష్యత్తులో ముందుకు సాగాలని తెలుపుతున్నట్లు తెలిపారు. దేశ స్వాతంత్ర్యం కోసం పోరాడిన అమరవీరుల త్యాగాలను స్ఫూర్తిగా తీసుకొని భవిష్యత్తులో ముందుకు సాగాలని పిలుపునిచ్చారు. విద్యార్థులంతా ఎంతో ఉత్సాహంగా మువ్వెన్నెల జెండాలతో సాంస్కృతిక కార్యక్రమాల్లో పాల్గొని కార్యక్రమాల్ని రంగులద్దారు.
And happy morning and happy Mr. Sir, sir, and to all the children, parents and the teachers. I don't want to tell much because we are waiting for other programs, but just remember that we are here happy like this just because of the struggles. How many years back those people have done the struggles? This freedom struggle, 78 years back, 1947. Because of that we are enjoying. Is it not so? We are enjoying the freedom, yes? But now you should remember one more thing. You have to give, remember this important point. You have to give freedom to all the negative points in your mind. Your mind will be having, everyone will have negatives and positives. Are they correct? Nobody will be perfectly positive. Some negatives will be there. Yes or no? Try to overcome all those. Maybe if you don't have any negatives, it's really good. You appreciate yourself and you continue it. If you have all positives, it's good. But if you have some negatives, you should only analyze. You are the best person to analyze yourself. Just reduce all those and give freedom to them, let them go out. Your mind should be full of positive thoughts. Whatever the negatives are there, jealousy maybe, or it may be the anger, emotional imbalance. These are all negatives, no? They are not good. So have a fight, start that fight and win over that and be positive, that's it. Then you will become a wonderful person, and as Rajesh told, really learn values and learn how to live a happy life. Then you will be the wonderful person. It's not just money. Okay, there are so many things which will make you happy. Explore what those are and then achieve them. All the best all. Thank you.
Find out to all my respected teachers, students, and all the teachers whom I have seen from my childhood. A very good morning, and I wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. It's a very nostalgic feeling to come back here to a very familiar place. I always used to sit there, seeing the chief guest. I am really very delighted to be here as a chief guest and addressing you people at this moment. As we all know, we gathered here to celebrate the 78th Independence Day celebrations of our nation, which marks a very special place in our hearts. It's because of all the sacrifices and the relentless efforts what our leaders have done to gain the independence and the freedom which they have given us, which we are enjoying today. So I always bow them and I respect them for all the sacrifices they all have made, and they gave us all this freedom to which we are enjoying. Independence Day not only marks the milestone of independence, but also shows us the courage, unity and determination what our leaders have spread through their actions, and what all we should be learning from them. And I also request we all should be very loyal and determined to help this nation to progress into the near future, which will be more brighter than today. And I want to briefly tell how this institution and teachers have changed my life and what they have made for what I am standing here today. Apart from all the subjects in the curriculum, they have taught me many life-changing lessons like morals, ethics, values, how to be compassionate, how to be humble, and how to treat other people. And I promise that I will continue them and help to serve the society with all the good deeds which I have imbibed from this institution. And students, always remember that life is always dynamic and there will be lots of ups and downs and there will be lots of hills and valleys. No successful leader in this world has ever gained a success without the hardships. For instance, let's take Dr. Abdul Kalam, who is the 11th president of our nation. He has gone through many hardships. He came from a very poor family. He was the son of a boat owner. And to meet the family expenses, he used to do jobs even in the schooling days. There was once a situation where his help from the institution, what we call as the money help which the institution gives for a good student that came to revoke when he was not able to meet the deadline of his project. Then he took it as a challenge, he impressed his dean and he met the deadline. After that, he never looked back in his journey. He went on to join as in the aeronautical organization in Chennai. After that, he headed the organization and he had led many more organizations in India and went on to become the president of India. So we all should take inspiration from such people and remember that the life is always dynamic and you should be ready to face the challenges and upcome them and imbibe the change what they are giving. And I also want to make a good statement given by the sage and a philosopher who is a Chinese. His name is Confucius. When a student asks him what is knowledge, he says knowledge is that what you hold and what you serve. And also the knowledge is that what you don't know and what you are ready to learn. So always have an open mind and be ready to imbibe things from the people around you. Always have open ears and open eyes to see the change and to imbibe the ideas and imbibe knowledge from the people around you. And I would like to conclude my speech by telling only one statement. We are all joining schools and institutions. We join here to learn and we exit from here to serve the society. We should learn and give the knowledge in a positive way so it multiplies and gives us a better future. Thank you very much once again for giving me this opportunity, ma'am. And Jai Hind.